Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are exploring CapCut, a fantastic video editing tool. Whether you are beginner or pro, I have got some incredible tips to up your editing game. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. To my loyal viewers, thanks for your support. Let's dive right in. Now we are here. This editing is look pretty cool, huh? Cause the text behind the vacuum man. So now let's get started to learn about this amazing editing. Now I'm on my screen and I already import that video without text. So simply select it and start editing. Now add a text bar to write some text which I want on my video to make it more interesting. So I'm gonna write sunset adventure. Now I have to change the color of text to increase the visibility of the text on my video. So select yellow or some thicker one. That's nice. So now I'm gonna select a font style. This looks pretty good. So now simply export it. Now I'm on my new screen and importing that video which was exported in my previous editing, and also import that video which is in without text, means the original one, and place it as an overlay. Now select it and go to the cutout option. Click on auto cutout. After some loading, there you go, an amazing editing done by CapCut in very easy way. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Keep creating and keep editing. Bye for now.